charmer story. Hello my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the life of snake charmers, the close relationship between animals and human beings, and poisonous snakes and non-poisonous snakes. Minnie, have you seen anyone playing a bean? Where?
Yes, Dipu, I have seen snake charmers playing a bean. I have seen in movies.
Have you ever seen a snake? Where?
Yes, I have seen a snake on a paddy field at farms and also in the photo of gods like Shivji.
Look, he is Aryanath.
I think he can make snakes dance by playing the bean.
Yes, he has learned this art from his family members.
Oh, they are known as Calbelias.
Yes, Kalvelia is the name given to the community of snake charmers.
I know that they used to move from village to village carrying the snakes in bamboo baskets.
His grandfather, Rosannathji, was a famous sapera. He could easily catch many poisonous snakes.
Wow,
People give him money or food grains in return for medicine made from plants. He knows how to remove poisonous teeth, fangs of the snakes, and how to close the tube of poison in the snake's mouth. He also helps the farmers by catching snakes and entertain people.
but now the government has made a law that no one can catch wild animals and keep them.
Poisonous teeth. The poisonous teeth of snakes are called fangs. You can see in the picture poison gland, poison duct, and the fangs. Collection of venom. A snake has two hollow teeth, fangs. The poison enters the person's body through the fangs when it bites. Venom is the poison of snake. Venom is collected to make medicine for snake bites. Snake's venom is sold at higher prices. People kill wild animals to earn money. This is removal of fangs. Were you scared by it? Why?
Yes, I was very much scared of it since it is a poisonous and it would bite.
Minnie, do you think all snakes are poisonous?
Not all snakes are poisonous.
Some people kill the animals and sell their body parts at high prices.
Animals are killed for elephant for tusk, tiger for skin, rhinoceros for horns, musk deer for scent, crocodile for skin, snakes for skin and venom.
Kalvelia dance have movements similar to the dance of the snake. Bean, tumba, khanjri, and dhol are used in bean party. We keep the snakes in good condition. We have never killed snakes and sold their skin. Snakes are our treasure. We pass on from one generation to another. Snakes are the friends of the farmers. They eat the rats in the field. Kalvelia dance. A dance which has movements similar to the dance of the snakes is called Kalvelia dance. Musical instruments used in bean party are bean, kanjri, tumba, and dhol. Bean, kanjri, and tumba, these are made from dried gourd or loki. Can the snake hear the bean or does it dance when the bean moves? What do you think?
No, the snakes cannot hear the bean, but they dance when the bean moves.
Minnie, have you ever seen animals being used for entertainment of people? For example, in a circus, on the road, or in a park?
Yes, many animals are being used for entertainment of people. I saw them at circus, parks, and on roadsides.
What kind of questions came to your mind after seeing that animal show?
Few questions came in mind after seeing the animal show, such as were those animals taken care of by the circus staff? Is it so necessary to give stress for the animals to entertain people? How did those animals get trained? Deepu, now imagine that you are an animal in a cage. Think how you would feel.
Minnie, I am afraid when my trainer beats me if I do anything wrong. I wish I was left free from this cage. I am sad when I remember and miss my family. If I had a chance, I would escape from these people and go back to the forest. I do not like it at all when people tease or irritate me.
Types of snakes. Poisonous snakes. Cobra, Russell's viper, Dubois, saw-scaled viper Aphae, common krat. Non-poisonous snakes. Python, Indian rat snake, anaconda, common sand boa. Only 4 types of poisonous snakes are found in our country. They are cobra, common krat, saw-scaled viper Aphae, Russell's viper Dubois. Non-poisonous snakes. Python, Indian rat snake, anaconda, common sand boa.
Like snake charmers, which other people depend on animals for their livelihood?
Like snake charmers, these people depend on animals for their livelihood. Madari, milkman, poultry farmer, fortune teller, fisherman, tangawala. People who keep animals. Do you know anyone in your neighborhood who keep one or more animals for their livelihood? For example, a horse for a tanga, hens for eggs, etc.
There is a milkman named Rushi who has 8 cows and their calves. He has constructed a separate room to maintain these cows. Rushi and his wife look after these cows and calves by providing them grass, fodder, etc. Sometimes the cow who falls sick, which is then being looked after by the veterinary doctor. Hence, these cows in turn give milk by selling the milk. Curd and paneer, the milkman lives his livelihood. The government has made a law that no one can catch and keep snakes. What do you think about this law?
The government has made a law that no one can catch and keep snakes. I support this law. I think animal would be happy only if they are allowed to live freely in their natural habitat. Nobody wants slavery. To earn a livelihood out of grabbing animals' freedom is wrong. I completely support this law of not catching and keeping the animals captive. Now, make a snake puppet with the help of socks, buttons, color paper, thread. You can make a snake puppet like this.
Try this. Question number 1. Name the following poisonous snakes shown below. First question. The poisonous teeth of snakes are called dash. Question B. The community of snake charmers is called dash. Question C. A fisherman depends on dash for his livelihood. Cobra, common crab. The poisonous teeth of snakes are called fangs. The community of snake charmers is called Calbelias. A fisherman depends on fish for his livelihood.
That's all for today. Thank you, my dear students. Bye.